how to sign up for your blogger.com account. It's very quick and simple, so let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser. I'm right now using Google Chrome, and search for blogger.com right here on the search bar. If you search for Blogger, the first link that shows up is the official website of blogger.com. You can just click on the link. This will take you to the official website. If you guys didn't know what this is, blogger.com is basically a website where you can start your blogging journey. If you want to write some blogs for your website or your work, this is a great way to start writing. So once you land on this homepage, you can click on sign in button right here. If you already have an account, this will take you to an account that you want to create. So just click on sign in. From here, choose your account. You can enter your password right here. Once you have entered your password, here you can choose a name for your blog, or you can skip this process. You can write your display name. Once you write your name, you can just simply click on finish. This will be your display name, and everyone will be able to see your display name if you engage in any of these blogs. So from here you can start writing your blogs and begin your blogging journey. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.